Welcome to Ballyhoo Creations. This video is about making paper pots that can be used to plant seeds or as treat cups. The tool I'm using is this paper pot maker. It's two parts, both made of wood, and mine is from Eschert, but I've seen other brands on the internet from $12 to $26. Get one soon because it seems like they're being snapped up with seeds during this COVID-19 pandemic, but as of April 9th, I checked and could still see them for sale on the internet. The pot maker is meant to be used with newspaper, but I didn't have newspaper and I wasn't going to go to the convenience store and get any because we're under a Safer at Home initiative, so I turned to my scrapbook paper stash and used scrapbook paper instead of newspaper. And don't use cardstock, use paper. You can make the pots more open at the bottom or closed. So the way I did these is I first cut the paper into 9-inch by 3-inch rectangles. I'm using a paper cutter here. You could use scissors. It doesn't need to be perfect. And I got 5 of the 9 by 3 rectangles out of a 12 by 12 scrapbook paper. Here's a diagram of how I cut those. And then I folded over up edge about 1/4 inch to make the pot more sturdy. I tried using a scoring board, but it actually was faster to do by hand. And then here's the fun part. You wrap the strip around the wooden tool and then you fold the bottom starting at the overlap right there. I did about 5 folds. Press it into the base. So get the 5 triangles folded in and then press it and just give a little twist and it crimps it down at the bottom. You just pull it off and there's your little pot. Holds its shape really well. You can use these as seed starters. They'll disintegrate in the soil once they're outside. Here's some seed starters that I made. You can also use them as treat cups. Put the kids to work since they're at home. Here's a doll holding some candy. Hope you liked it. See you guys later.